Kani gadega Pati CCTV.
Ka Grace Covenant Church ha ka khatsau tere gubna jemang arajar khatnyo kala Pyrda ya ka jingsdang jong ka Jingrakhe ya ka Silver Jubili lani ka jingdap arpsan Snem jong ka Balang ka Banlong house Snem arajar khat pra banwan kuman chupun kan mau ya ka Grace Covenant Church laseng hau bnai leber jong Snem ka khandai spa khandai Plie I pastor rang ba jong ka Balang I presbyter pendap borlang dekhar dan lembat ka jingrangkan ki pastor ka Balang kinong ilap bat ki parabangen kilai dan lang hakani ke jing Pyrda ya kani ke Jingrakhe on sedang shua da ke youth camp ke Banlong ha ke senong pasighat jong ke jela Arunachal Pradesh hau bna jemang mentau Snem arjar khanyo bat on sapan bot pat sedaki wei pa ki program ki baharukom ke Banlong hau Snem arjar khat pra banwan
peace for us. All we have accomplished, you have done for us. Everything that we have accomplished this far is God has done it, God has helped us. And today we inaugurate this celebration of the Silver Jubilee of the journey of the church. And next year, we will have a big celebration of the Silver Jubilee of what God has done for us. There's a spiritual meaning. When I release this white dog, it's like we pray as a church, Lord, let the peace of God rule and reign in Meghalaya, India, and the Holy Spirit will convict people of their sin and bring them to the foot of the cross. In the name of Jesus Christ, I release this dog. Amen. Also, I will put the balloon to go up. As a church, amen. Now, the function is not over yet.
Kani gadega Pati CCTV.